Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I've got some quick tips and ideas for you on using green peas, also called sweet peas or English peas. Hopefully this will help you out and give you some ideas and some new ways to work them into your diet. How about adding fresh or cooked or frozen and thawed green peas to a green salad? How about making a green pea hummus or dip and serve it with fresh vegetables or chips or pita bread or put it on toast, something like that. You can make an easy green pea pesto by blending together 1 bag of frozen and thawed green peas, a handful of mint leaves, some grated Parmesan cheese to your liking, 1 or 2 cloves of garlic, some black pepper to taste, and then as it's blending, drizzle in a little bit of olive oil through the shoot, and you can thin it with some fresh lemon juice, also to add a little bit of tang to it. You can serve that pesto on top of some toasted bread, or even and then top it with some ricotta cheese as well. Store it in a covered container in the refrigerator. Use that within a few days, and it'll be a nice addition for you. You can make a quick pea, tomato, and parsley salad. Just toss together some thawed frozen green peas. You could even warm them up some if you want, and then cut up some fresh tomatoes and parsley. Flavor that with your favorite oil and vinegar dressing or your favorite dressing, whatever that is, and you'll have a nice different kind of salad full of protein and lots of nutrients in there. How about tossing some cooked or even just thawed that were frozen green peas in with some cooked couscous or quinoa or rice or another grain of your choice, and then you could sprinkle all of that with some lemon juice, some lemon zest, and even some chopped tarragon or mint if you like. Season with salt and pepper as you like and give it a quick toss, and this is ready to go. You could also add some thawed green peas, warm them up some if you like, to your favorite mashed potatoes for a colorful addition and a sweet addition to those mashed potatoes as well. You can make an easy pea soup by placing a bag of frozen peas in a pot, cover with up to about a ½ inch over with vegetable stock. Boil the peas in the broth until they're tender, and then add generous amounts of your favorite herbs. It could be dill, it could be chives, whatever you like to add in there, and then blend it or puree it to make it smooth. Top it with some cashew cream, sour cream, or even a little bit of heavy cream. How about adding some thawed green peas to your favorite pasta dish? That would add a little protein boost and some nice color as well. You could also add some thawed green peas to your favorite macaroni and cheese dish. That'll add some nice color and then give it another protein boost as well. Try adding some green peas along with some sauteed garlic and onion to polenta for a nice side dish. You can add a little cheese if you want to for flavor, but that would make a hearty side dish for you. Well, if you have other ideas and things that you like to do with green peas, let us know below and share with others. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I hope this helps. Bye for now.